Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a kind of the skybox effect found like con backrooms or something, and I'm going to provide more documentation on the subject in the description for more practical uses other than this. But this is just going to be a simple tutorial on how to do it. You're going to want to start off with a 1024 by 1024 texture. Obviously don't use static, I'm just going to use static to kind of showcase the effect. You should probably, if you want to make like a night sky, such as in my example I gave off, calm backrooms, you should use, stars. I'm sure that there are star kind of generators out there, which like put random noise on a black texture. But so you're gonna want to download this like 6 times. You're gonna want 6 of these, 6 textures, right? Once you have these 6 textures, you're gonna want to open a VTF edit, and yeah, you're gonna want to drag these in, or no, not drag these in. You're gonna want to open them. Yeah, so just import these real fast. Open. You're gonna want to set it to environment map. Uncheck that box. Uncheck that box. Go to advanced and check the generate sphere map box and press OK. You're just gonna freeze up for a moment. If those boxes there are checked, then you're good. That's how it should be. Just go file, save as, and then just go to your custom folder. So tf custom, and I'm just gonna go to tutorial, and then materials, and make a new folder, call it like env or something, right? As an environment, and just give it a name. I'm just gonna call it static env for static environment, and then tools, create VMT. Don't really worry about the options at this point, because we're going to be pasting something in a moment. I might as well just uncheck this, create, and yeah, just save that. So you're going to want to just paste this in over all that. It's going to be in the description, or you can just copy it now off the video and change it to texture name, right? So it's going to be the folder name / the texture name. I'm just going to give it the tf keywords, just because that's kind of the default. And after that, you should be done. So go to your map, and yeah, go select your texture, filter it, just gonna search it up real fast, static environment, just freezing first, there we go, static env, yeah, just select that. Just gonna make a quick little box here just to show it off. It kind of gives off this trippy effect. That means it's working. I'm gonna just boot up the map real fast, just kind of show it off, show how it kind of looks in game. Now that we're in game, yeah. So, it works. It's headache inducing. It looks horrible because it's just static.
Let's get 'em!
But it indeed works, and you can use this for a multitude of things, like a portal, false skybox, making your map look bigger than it really is. There's tons of use cases for this, and again, I'm going to provide more documentation in the description, and also that thing you need to paste into the VMT. I hope this was helpful.